In this video, let's take a look at the way that you create BeReal groups. If you have a lot of friends inside of BeReal and want to chat in a separate group, the way that you can create is heading over to the chat section. Once you're inside of chat section, just tap on the pencil icon on the top right of the screen. This way you can select multiple people that you want to add inside of a group. Once you add in and select the people that you want to add in, tap on the tick mark on the top right, and then you can name this group whatever you like. Also, you can add in a notification timer. This way, a notification of adding in a BeReal to all of the members inside of a group will be added in. So you can add in either every day, few days, or every week, or you can also turn it off. If you want, you can also tap on this icon on the top and then add in a different emoji and then tap on create on the top right. Once a group now has been created, you can start chatting in this group so that all of the people inside a group can get notified all at once. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.